Hey everybody, it's Mike the Wolf Grant down here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson with another Dyno Certified pre-owned motorcycle. This is a 2016 Tri-Glide Ultra in Serious Red Sunglow and Velocity Red Sunglow. Two-tone option for 2016. We did a couple different things during the Dyno certification for this. We put about $730 into it. We did a 5K service. The bike only has 3,319 miles on it. So we did the 5K service. We obviously dyno tested it. We gave it new key fobs and programmed these. We also did a brake fluid flush, and we also did a new horn cover on it as well. And that's all stuff that we did to the motorcycle without adding it to the cost of it. We don't believe that the next owner should have to do that kind of stuff. Back to the 90-day, 3,000 mile guarantee. Has a couple of extras on it. It does have your passenger armrest. It has a, on this side of the motorcycle, it has a Wounded Warrior Derby cover. Obviously standard features, you have your twin cooling system, you have your LED lights in the front, your LED lights in the back, has a luggage rack on it as well. And if you guys have any other questions, give us a call, 802-476-6104. Thanks.